All right. So with paragraph 4, it says state why the problem is significant. And then when we talk about significance, we're talking about impact. Okay. What is the problem's impact on society, an organization, an industry, whatever the parameters are or the environment is? What is the impact of this problem? All right. So Dr. Walker articulates the impact as follows. A source of conflict in couples can be playing video games. Through the specific reasons for conflict, though the specific reasons for conflict may vary between partners. According to Cohn et al. 2012, men and women argue over different aspects of gaming. Okay, so we're talking about conflict and arguing between people in a relationship. Time spent playing video games was linked with increased partner conflict for men, but not for women. Many of these arguments focused on how long men spent playing games versus attending to other responsibilities. Findings showed that playing video games can be a significant source of conflict in couples. Playing games together can be a recreational activity for couples to do together, and it can also lead to conflict if partners disagree about how much time should be spent playing games. Forrest 2017. Now, so this paragraph is really focused on, okay, here's what happens when people play these games from a relationship perspective. Conflict, okay, marital conflict, and then marital conflict can lead to divorce. All right. Let's see. Forrest 2017 stated that the relationship between time spent playing games and perceived satisfaction in relationships is an area in need of continued research because it can be a colossal problem because so many people play these games. So if playing these games is a source of relational conflict, then playing these games too much could have a significant impact on the divorce rate. Okay? Now, Dr. Walker doesn't talk about that, but that's what someone can, conclude from reading this. One aspect of Forrest 2017 study assessed the relationship between frequency and duration of video game usage, romantic relationship satisfaction in adults aged 18 to 30 years old, page 28. Results showed the correlation analysis between time spent playing games and the couple's satisfaction index subscales did not produce any significant results. Now that's interesting. But again, it talks about the problem of relationship conflict, which results from extensive amount of time playing these games. Okay, so now you want to write paragraph 4 and put forth an argument from the literature as to why this problem is significant and why it should be studied. What is the impact that this problem is having, okay, in society, in an organization, whatever. What is the impact? Discuss the impact, okay? Once you are done, then we will move on to paragraph 5.